How to quickly and easily remove ingrown toenails. Have you ever had an ingrown toenail? Then you understand how uncomfortable it may be when a toe side grows into the sensitive skin surrounding. Though it is more common in toes, a fingernail can also develop ingrown. What causes this? What are some techniques to treat an ingrown toenail? Shoes that are excessively tight, nails that are not properly clipped, a nail injury, or having unusually bent toes can all cause an ingrown toenail. Ingrown toenails are also more common in those who have diabetes or other health issues that prevent blood from flowing correctly to the feet. Ingrown toenail symptoms include persistent discomfort, redness, and swelling. Onychocryptosis, or ingrown toenail, may result in infection if not treated immediately. This is characterized by redness and swelling surrounding the nail, as well as pus or watery discharge mixed with blood. There are home remedies for ingrown toenails. However, if you already have symptoms of infection, consult a doctor right away since an infection can spread and cause problems. Number 1. Soak in warm water. If you want to reduce the discomfort, swelling, and soreness caused by an ingrown toenail, soak your feet in warm water several times each day. Warm water should be added to a foot tub. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. To relieve discomfort, repeat this 3 or 4 times each day. Number 2. Use a cotton balls under the nail. After soaking your foot in warm water, place a cotton wedge beneath your nail to ensure it develops above the skin. This will alleviate the discomfort and allow it to recover more quickly. Soak your feet with warm water and thoroughly dry them. Lift the toenail carefully with a pair of non-sharp tweezers. Place a little piece of cotton folded up in between the nail and the skin. To avoid infection, bathe your feet with a fresh piece of cotton each time. You may have some discomfort at first, but it will subside fast. Make cautious not to push the cotton roll any farther than the swelling skin will allow. Number 3. Epsom salt. Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate, is another effective treatment for an ingrown toenail. It will soften the skin and reduce swelling, making it simpler to remove the ingrown toenail. Fill a foot tub halfway with warm water and 1 spoonful of Epsom salt. Soak your feet in the solution for 15 minutes. Remove your feet off and thoroughly dry them. Perform this 3 to 4 times each week. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Since it eliminates germs and reduces swelling, apple cider vinegar is an effective treatment for ingrown toenails. In addition, the vinegar's low acidity aids in infection prevention. Here are 2 methods for using apple cider vinegar to treat ingrown toenails. Use either one until you are satisfied that it is effective. Combine an equal amount of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and warm water in a small tub. Soak your toes in the solution for 25 to 30 minutes. After that, thoroughly dry your toe. Another method is to soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar before applying it to your toe. Allow it cover with bandage until it dry before removing the bandage. Number 5. Hydrogen peroxide. Since hydrogen peroxide destroys germs, it reduces the likelihood of infection from an ingrown toenail. It also relieves the discomfort and swelling caused by an ingrown toenail. In a small tub with warm water, combine roughly half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Allow your foot to soak in for 15 minutes. Perform this once or twice each day. Number 6. Trim properly. Clip your nails properly to avoid ingrown toenails. For this, cut your nails straight across rather than curving them to fit the form of your toe. When clipping nails, begin at the borders rather than the center. Moreover, remember to file your nails so that any sharp edges are removed. Use a good nail clipper and file. Toenails should not be clipped too short since they might dig into the flesh as they develop, resulting in an ingrown toenail. Shoes are another item to be cautious about. If your shoes are excessively tight, the nail may be pushed into the surrounding skin. Shoes made of softer materials with ample space for your toes are preferable. To keep strain off the toes, women should avoid wearing high heels. How often do you have an ingrown nail? What remedy did you do? Comment down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more health and wellness tips. And hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.